Have you ever wondered how much money you might be losing by sticking to the same insurance plan year after year? Sarah did too until she decided to take action. Sara was paying for her health insurance without thinking twice. Every month she handed over her money assuming this was the only option. She never compared plans or checked for better deals. One day, Sara noticed a message from another insurance company offering a plan with the same benefits but at a lower premium. This caught her attention. She spent an afternoon researching different insurance plans online. She listed monthly premiums and benefits side by side. Sara realized many plans offered similar coverage at a lower cost. She was surprised she could save a significant amount each year without compromising quality. She carefully read the terms, checking for hidden fees and deductibles. After analyzing, Sara chose the plan that saved her $200 per year. The new plan had the same coverage and lower monthly payments. Sara felt relief and realized that a few hours of research could free up money for other expenses. She started thinking about how this extra money could improve her life, maybe for a small vacation or an emergency fund. Sharing her discovery with friends, many were surprised they never thought to compare insurance plans. She explained that companies often keep loyal customers paying higher premiums, assuming no one will check alternatives. This story inspired some friends to research their own plans and save money. Sara felt more control over her finances and realized small steps lead to big results. She started monitoring other expenses using budgeting apps to track spending. She learned that loyalty discounts or rewards for switching can add up over time. Exploring energy bills, subscriptions, and shopping habits, Sara realized financial awareness is empowering. Even small research can save significant amounts annually. Sara's story proves that change is possible and worthwhile. Imagine what you could do with an extra $100 a year. Saving doesn't always mean cutting essentials. It's about smarter spending without sacrificing value. Her advice: never settle, check alternatives, compare benefits, and read the fine print. Switching insurance plans may seem daunting, but step-by-step evaluation is manageable. Money saved is money earned. Even small monthly savings add up to significant annual amounts. Keeping a spreadsheet of expenses motivates action. Reading online reviews helps choose reliable and cost-effective plans. Insurance is about cost, coverage, quality, and service. Switching plans was easier than Sara expected. After confirming the new plan, the old plan canceled smoothly without interruption. Sara now reviews her financial commitments regularly. Insurance is one example where evaluation leads to big savings. Think about your own plan. Could you be leaving money on the table without knowing it? A few hours of research can save hundreds, just like Sara did. If Sara's story inspired you, take a moment today to check your insurance. You might be surprised how much you can save. Have you ever switched and saved money? Share in the comments. Always read the fine print and consult professionals if needed. Savings are great, but proper coverage is essential. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Verify information with trusted sources before making financial decisions.